I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Actions. FlowMattic. Give here the webhook link. So go to the FlowMattic WordPress panel. Click on Webhook. Copy the webhook URL. And capture the webhook data. Go to the integration site and paste that URL here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the FlowMattic site. And choose your desired action. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action event. Connect to MailChimp. For Authorize with MailChimp, complete all the process. Select an audience list. Map the respective fields. Subscription status. Save and test action. Save workflow. Now click on the left button and keep the workflow live. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to your MailChimp site. Here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp. So, in this way, you can send your data via FlowMattic. Thanks for watching.